Pool light leak. Hello. I have a leak from the light niche area. I am told I need to cut the cement and fix the light from inside. I was wondering if there's anything that can cover the entire light area for a year or two, like some type of clear saran wrap that can go over the area, or maybe a half moon hard plastic cover that I can put over it.
So if you know it's in the light niche itself and you don't need to use the light, here's what I would suggest you do. Pull the light out and plug the back of the niche. Rubber plug, pool putty, epoxy, just fill it in. If you don't need the light, pull the cord out, plug the back of the niche, roll the cord up on the light and put it back in place, so at least you don't have a hole in the side of your pool, and you'll be fine. If you need to use the light, that's when you have to look at breaking out the concrete in the back, fixing the conduit or whatever's broken, and all of that. But if you simply want to have the pool not leaking, the easiest thing to do is pull the cord out, wrap it up on the light, plug that hole in the back where the leak is, and screw the light back in so that at least it's in place and there's not people sticking their hands in there or getting their feet stuck in there. There's a light there, it just doesn't work.